that be my slime. That nigga, that be my slime. Slime. Alright.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl V by myself. I don't even know how to explain this. Just like a solo video, basically. But I'm doing a hair tutorial. So yeah, okay. My hair dripping. But I'm just gonna already wash my hair, shampooed and conditioned. I'm just gonna show y'all what I use. This is what I use. The Argan oil. I don't really use shampoo a lot, as you can tell. It like foams up a lot, but I use all the conditioners like right here. But that's what I wash my hair with, and wide tooth comb to brush your hair out, cause if you use anything else, it's gonna split your ends. So this is what my hair looks like after it's washed. Basically, I'm just gonna show you how I style it. Basically, what I put in it to keep it, you know, good, basically. And everybody always asks me like, what race am I, because my hair, but I'm mixed, so I can't really explain that. And like, I love how my hair looks when I get out the shower. But then when it dries up, it's so much shrinkage. It gets really small, the curls get really tight. I mean, and it shrinks up. Like my hair goes all the way down here. When it shrinks up, it's like to right here. It's so annoying. But if anybody got any tips on how to keep it from shrinking up, that'd be good. But basically, after that, I follow up with, it's from the same company, I think. Yeah, it's from the same company. It's a keratin protein mask. Well, not a mask, it's just a deep conditioner, because a mask you have to wash out. Deep conditioner, that's what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see it. I already used some of it though, but it's to prevent breakage and softening your hair. So I'm just gonna squeeze them out. That's what it looks like. And I like put it on my fingertips and then go at the roots, and then I just use my fingers to spread it evenly throughout the rest of my hair. You can see how fast like it changed the texture of my hair. It smells really good too. So we have that. Like, I wish my hair would stay like this. Yes, please. Gotta keep a towel on you. Then after that, it's this shine oil that comes with it. It's a whole package. It comes with it, and you're just supposed to put a little bit of drops, because you're not supposed to put a lot of oil in your hair, because then it'll get all sticky and matted up. So just a little, just a little dime size amount. Rub it in your hands first, then just do the same process. You see how easy it is to go through my hair? These products work really good. If like I use anything else, my hair would be hard to detangle. So now that that's in, after this point, I want to part it to the way I want it. This is just to do my part. I don't really care what direction my part goes in, just as long as it's a straight line. Honestly. That's kind of straight. Kind of. But I always part my hair like on this side because I'm left-handed. So like I like to have like this front part out on my left side. I don't know if it's just because I'm left-handed. And then finally, I put my Cantu leave-in conditioner. This helps like shape my curls. Very good, and it holds it. It's very gooey. You don't need that much, just a little go out. To do them edges, I use Cantu's Define and Shine Custard and a good old brand new toothbrush. Don't use a used toothbrush, that's weird. But toothbrush works better than an edge brush, honestly. You just dab it in there. Yes. Don't judge me on my edges because I can't see. Yeah, I really can't see. I wouldn't normally do that, like where it goes into my part, but it sits really cute behind my ear. Then I take a little curl, have it in front of my ear, and then I'm done. This like routine basically is just what keeps my hair hydrated and healthy, and I always make sure to brush with a comb so my ends don't get split, moisturize it so it grows, and yeah. And I can show you guys like a before and after picture of me not straightening my hair for a year, and then I finally straighten it, and then I can show you like the shrinkage versus my straight hair. It's crazy. But if you guys want to see more like videos of me doing like different styles, like actual styles, or if you want to see any other mask routines I have for my hair, anything like that, just like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna have L and F do a hair tutorial video for their short hair, so you short hair girls can have a tutorial. But yeah, it's my first video by myself. It's kind of taco. But like, comment, subscribe.